In the last video, we have discussed about the data types and types of data types. So, what is data type? Data type is a type of data which a variable can hold. And what is variable? Variable is a quantity which changes during the execution of a program. Means value of the variable can be changed during execution of a program, right? So, types of data types are integer type, floating type, character type, double. Okay, and one specific data type is there, that is specific data type, that is a void data type. Okay, so already we have discussed two types of data type, that is integer and a floating. Now we will discuss the third type of a data type is a char. So, char is again a keyword used to indicate character type of data. The data may be a character constant or a string constant. Means whatever the data you are manipulating or performing, that data may be a single character or a sequence of character or a string character. A character constant can be defined as any single character enclosed within a pair of apostrophe. Okay, if you are performing only a single character, then it must be defined in a pair of single quotation or a pair of a apostrophe, right? So, what is character? Character is a special type of a keyword used to indicate character type of data, and it must be enclosed in a single quotation or a single pair of a apostrophe. Here you can see the example A, P, $2. Okay, whatever the data you take, it may be alphabet or special symbol or integer. If you put those data into a single quote, then it is called as a character type of data. So, here a character type of data takes 8 bits for a storage. Means the storage capacity of a character data type is 8 bits, that means 1 byte. Okay, it provides only 1 byte of a storage capacity. The character may be a signed or a unsigned type, and the signed character have values in the range -128 to +127. Means if a character is a signed character, then the values can store in the range of -128 to +127. And on the other hand, the unsigned character means if it is not a signed character, it means it can hold or it can save the values between 0 to 255 characters based on the data, that is signed or a unsigned. If it is a signed character, then it store -128 to +127 character. If it is unsigned character, then it stores 0 to 255 characters, and each character constant has an integer value, and this value is given by the ASCII, that is ASCII. ASCII means American Standard Code for Information Interchange Character Set. Okay, so here every character is associated with ASCII value. Means ASCII value means it holds an integer variable. Integer value, it ranges from 0 and 127, 0 to 127. If you take any character or a sequence of character, it may be alphabets, it may be digits, it may be special characters like symbols. If you take any character, for every character there is a one ASCII value is given to that character. Okay, and who is providing this? That is a ASCII character set, that is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Now we will see what are the some ASCII values. So, here I have not given all the ASCII values for all the characters, only some of I have given, just you can see here. First, in the first column character constant, and in the second column ASCII value. So, these are the fixed value, these value cannot be changed. Okay, first I have written capital A, and the ASCII value of that capital A is a 65. So, if you take the second character, that is B, capital B, and the ASCII value is 66. If you take C, then 67, like that up to Z till 99. Okay. So, 65 to 99, these are the ASCII values are given for a capital letters or a uppercase letters. So, similarly, if you consider lowercase letter, that is A to Z, so it starts from 97. So, 97, then B is 98, then C 99, like that up to Z, and the ASCII value of Z character constant is 122. Okay. So, these are the ASCII value are given for uppercase and lowercase. Now, if you are consider 0 to 9, that is a digits, you may manipulate the digits also, right. So, for a 0, the ASCII value is 48, and if you take 1, then 49, 2, 50, like that. Okay. So, the last value is a 9, that is 57, 0 to 9, that is 48 to 57 ASCII values are given for the character constant 0 to 9. Okay. And here I have given some special characters, that is ampersand, that is and symbol, and the ASCII value is 38, equal to sign 61, opening flower bracket or opening brace, that is 123. Okay. So, here whatever the ASCII value you take, there is a different ASCII value for each character constant. There is no any repetition for any character. So, all the character constants are given a different ASCII value. It may be capital letter, it may be small letter, it may be digit, or it is any special character. So, these are the ASCII values and the character constant. Okay. Next, a string constant. Constant may be, as I told, it may be a character or it may be a string. Character means a single quote, a single character. Okay. String means sequence of character. So, string constant means it is defined as a sequence of printable ASCII placed between a pair of double quotes. If you are taking sequence of characters, okay, if you are consider a word means a sequence of characters, then it is called a string constant. Okay. So, for example, computer, Bangalore, Y2K, suppose 2020, whatever the data you enclosed within a double quotation or within a pair of double quotes, then it is called as a string constant. Okay. Again, in a character type and a string type. Character means only single character, string means sequence of character. Okay. So, this is a string constant. Now, the fourth data type is a double data type. So, double data type is also like floating point data type, but the only thing is the precision is associated with the accuracy of the data. Okay. Whenever the accuracy comes, so here we use a double data type. So, now you may ask, what is accuracy? Accuracy, here it is used whenever more accuracy is required in representing the floating point numbers. A double is normal float value, but the number of significant digits that are stored after the decimal point is double that of the float. So, accuracy means whenever you declare or define any floating point number, after the decimal point, whatever the digit you saved. Okay. So, if you want the accurate value of that floating point number, then here we can use a double data type. A float stores a maximum of 6 digits after decimal point, but double stores 16 significant digits after the decimal point. Okay. So, this is the difference between float and a double. So, here you can see the example 234 point, after that decimal point there are 16 digits. Okay. So, here it gives the accurate value of that floating point. Okay. Do not get any confusion between float and double, both are floating point data type only. Float stores maximum of 6 digits after the decimal point and a double stores 16 significant digits after the decimal point, only that is the difference. Okay. So, these are the 4 data type: int, char, float and a double. Okay. So, in this video only I have discussed the character type of data and a float type of data. We just see the video and write the same thing whatever I have explained. Write the same thing in your book also. Okay. Thank you.